Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Recovering full cost for maritime and offshore accidents. Following serious accident, injured seamen may face a host of costs. These do not only have an immediate impact uh, but can affect them for years. In almost all cases, the immediate effects that obvious in inability to work, steep bills, and the pain and suffering associated with the injury or illness. Even the future costs of rehabilitation are often well known. However, it is not always easy to see the future cost of an injury will be. In some cases, the individual may require lifelong medical attention or may eventually pass away from the side effects. For this reason, it is crucial that the injured and the family recover just damages for the injury under the maritime law. Consider this cost that could result from a maritime injury or death of a seaman: hospitalization, long-term rehabilitation, in-home care, lost wages and earning capacity, emotional and financial counseling, vocational rehabilitation. The next discussion is about maritime injuries. Do you know your rights? After an accident, one of the most important things you can do is to ensure all of your needs are met medically, legally, emotionally, and financially. However, this can be difficult. Therefore, it is important to keep in mind a few issues that could be compromised. First, remember you have the legal right to select your doctor. Never feel obligated to choose the doctor's office or attending physician your business or insurance company may be pushing you. Often you will need to see the recommended doctor for an evaluation, but this is the extent of your obligation. Who you choose for treatment is up to you and should not be trained by any employer or adjuster you may be working with in regards to your case. Second, you are entitled to medical treatment. The provisions of medical benefits is protected under the Jones Act, so injured maritime workers need not worry about being compensated for recovery. This is true regardless of who may be at fault for the accident. Furthermore, the Jones Act protects injured seamen who may be given differing opinions by doctors. This means that if one doctor recommends treatment while another claims it's not necessary, the disagreement will be resolved in favor of treatment. Unfortunately, many injured seamen have not been hurt for the first time. However, if a pre-existing condition is aggravated, then employers will be obligated to ensure that adequate coverage is provided. All that will be needed is an evidentiary statement made by your doctor on your behalf. You are entitled to medical benefits and financial maintenance payments whether or not you sign paperwork brought forth by insurance adjuster. In fact, it is in your best interest to be cautious of any documents brought to you by an insurance adjuster. These often do not have your safety and well-being as a priority. As such, you should be hesitant to sign any paperwork under the condition that medical benefits and/or maintenance payment rely on a signature. Third, you are not required to give a recorded statement if after any sort of accidents and/or injury. Of course, reporting the incidents as quickly as possible is a crucial step of the process. However, attention must be paid to the fact that many accidents can affect the memory and mental functioning of an injured person. Therefore, it is unwise to record a statement of events that may later need to be adjusted, a process that can prove to be quite difficult. From the initial filing of a claim to the preparation and proceeding of a court case, there are a number of instances in which your rights can be compromised. Unsympathetic employers and insurance companies care little, if at all, about the well-being and injured employees. Therefore, it is imperative to seek legal representation from an attorney who does care about the future of your health and well-being. Maritime law as it applies to employers. As the employers and owner, the vessel holder must preserve the safety and structure of the ship in a way appropriate for the employees on board. Manning, equipping, and supplying the vessel are all key aspects of a ship owner's duty per maritime law. Subsequently, if an employee of a vessel becomes injured or ill due to the ship's unseaworthiness, the owner will be held accountable for any loss. And then the next discussion is about why do I need a hire Houston maritime injury lawyer. If you are not ready to consider litigation, you should still consult with an experienced Texas maritime attorney to discuss your claim. In many instances, your company may ask you to sign an agreement or release in exchange for payment of unearned wages, maintenance, or medical benefits. It is imperative that you have any documents you are given reviewed by competent Houston maritime injury attorney before signing so you do not waive any of your rights to recovery. Perhaps the most important reason you need a lawyer is that employers and insurance companies have teams of lawyers representing them. Their goal is to dispose of your claim as cheaply as possible. The only way to level the playing field with your employer or the insurance company is to have an experienced attorney representing your interests. As an injured employee, you are new to the process, whereas your employer, his insurer, or the attorneys deal with these cases on a regular basis. It is critical to the outcome of your claim that you have a team who regularly handles maritime law claims. Hire a top-rated Texas maritime accidents attorney for your case. An experienced maritime lawyer can review your case's facts and determine your best legal options. They will do this by examining the following: your worker status at the time of injury, the seaworthiness of the vessel you were working on, the time frame for bringing a claim, all other factors that may have contributed to your injury. Another reason you might benefit from hiring a lawyer is that they know how to deal with offshore companies. On your own, you may feel like you have no hope. After all, you are just one person and your company is likely an established corporation that knows how to handle injury cases. There is no reason why you cannot have aggressive representation as well. You might feel as if any attorney will do, but if you are an offshore worker, you and your company are bound to a specific set of laws called maritime law and admiralty law. You need a lawyer who is well versed in the specific and specialized area of the law if you want to get the full amount of compensation that you are entitled to. Turn to us when you need the best. And then, what is a maritime attorney? A maritime attorney is a legal professional who focuses on helping those who have experienced injuries, accidents, and wrongful death caused by recreational and commercial maritime accidents. These incidents are governed by a maritime law, which lays out specific routes to recovery for people who have been injured or lost loved ones on water. A competent Houston maritime attorney will have a thorough understanding of how maritime law affects incidents in national and international waters, plus the commitment to see each case through a successful result. Often, maritime injury cases require extensive investigation, a thorough knowledge of laws that are hundreds of years old, and the willingness to try cases in court. Maritime companies are some of the most powerful in the world, so having an experienced maritime attorney is crucial to countering their tactics. And then, do I need to hire a maritime injury lawyer? Yes, you likely need a maritime injury lawyer because laws governing offshore injuries can be complicated. Deciding whether to hire a maritime injury lawyer might seem like a hard decision. What you should know is this: if you were injured or lost a family member at sea, there is no one who can defend your rights and help you rebuild your life like a skilled maritime injury lawyer can. Your employer will not have your back, your loved one will not know how to help. It takes a powerful lawyer who knows the ins and outs of a maritime injury cases to protect you. Importantly, hiring a maritime lawyer also means having help from someone who will seek the compensation you deserve rather than the compensation you are offered. A maritime attorney will investigate your case, help make sure the other side is being fair. If they are not, they'll be prepared to fight for your recovery in court. And then, what is a maritime injury? A maritime injury may include any type of physical and physiological trauma experienced at sea. Offshore workers, cruise ship passengers, crew members of fishing vessel, and all others who are injured or lost while in the U.S. or international waters might be considered to have suffered a maritime injury. These injuries are often severe and life-changing, warranting the involvement of an attorney who knows how to hold at-fault parties accountable under maritime injury law. Importantly, maritime injuries are not covered by typical onshore laws. For example, injured maritime workers can file a workers' compensation and onshore workers can. Instead, they will need to use laws such as LHWCA and Jones Act to seek compensation. In other instances, workers can use the old maritime laws such as maintenance and incurred to secure needed compensation after an accident. I think that's all, guys, information that I can say to you. Don't forget to share this video, and Don't forget also to give like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.